Valentine's Day is cute until your snack choice sabotages the vibe. Real quick, here are 7 foods I avoid if I want the night to go smoothly. Let's count down. 1. Super garlicky anything. I love garlic, but it loves to linger. If kissability is on the agenda, maybe save the garlic knots for tomorrow. 1. Sticky caramel. Nothing kills a moment like wrestling caramel out of your molars. 1. Taffy. If your jaw is working harder than your heart, it's a no. 1. Messy wings and ribs. Saucy fingers, orange napkins, white shirt. Go for something you can bite without signing a sauce contract. 1. Super spicy prove-it foods. I'm not trying to cry on date night because a pepper bullied me. Heat is fine. Scorched earth? Not cute. 1. Heavy, greasy fried platters. Delicious, yes. But feeling nap ready at 8 p.m.? Pass. Keep it lighter if you want energy for, Valentine's activities. 1. Spinach dip. Microscopic saboteurs. Poppy seed buns. They hide in your teeth like tiny paparazzi. 1. Cheap chocolate imitations. If you're doing chocolate, do chocolate. Waxiness, weird aftertaste. No thanks. A few squares of good dark or a quality truffle beats a bargain box every time. Bonus, bubbly on an empty stomach. Champagne plus no food equals woozy fast. Snack first, sip second, thank me later. Look, I'm not anti-fun. I'm pro-moment. Choose flavors that make you feel confident. Kiss ready and present. Want safe swaps? Try strawberries with real whipped cream, dark chocolate almonds, baked chicken bites, or a simple cheese board with crackers. If this helped you dodge a Valentine's oops, tap like, save it for later, and share it with your favorite person. Happy Valentine's. Keep it sweet, not stressful.